see you. Where are my friends? My pretty butterflies, my sweet calves? Grandpa, what are you doing there? All the flowers are fallen. I must collect them soon. I want to have a shower. Give me a rain. Give me a rain. Get me, Grandpa, if you can. I will teach you a lesson, stupid fellow. Are you laughing at me? What's this boy doing? He hid himself in the loft and look. He is sitting on the loft and watching somebody. Silence, please. Grandpa will come and catch me. So please keep quiet.
You know my child away. I heard that you would beat me him if he came home. Poor child, he is afraid of him. Something has happened to him. I think he is missing.
Yes, he was nice boy.
Yes, he was a nice boy.
Stop, grandfather is coming.
Why are you wasting your time? Why don't you go and fetch him? Oh God, please give my child back. I can't wait any longer. Come here, Raja. Here's your little devil. He was hiding in the loft. Thanks God, you heard my voice.